Welcome back, everybody. Here is the 240. I've taken out the interior. I need to clean it up, all the gunk over there, so I can get it ready for paint. I am not going to put carpet in it. I'm going to do bed liner in it due to the fact that everybody wants way too much for interior parts. Just because it's 240, everybody thinks they should charge, I don't know, Ferrari prices. It's what it is. You can't change it. I understand it's a high demand car, but it's ridiculous. Right now, cleaning the engine bay. I've been spraying it with Purple Power and water. Removed the battery tray, sprayed it down, getting ready to rinse it out, and then let it dry off. And then I am going to paint it. Trying to decide what color I want to paint the car. I'm going to paint the car black, the roll bar, or the roll cage when I get one before I paint the interior, white. The bed liner is going to be gray, and then the engine bay is going to be Sonic Blue. Obviously it's a Ford color. If you want to know what it looks like, type in Sonic Blue, Mustang, Cobra, whatever you want to type in, and you'll see the color of it. I think that will look amazing with the black exterior inside so it'll be blue, black, gray floors, and the rest of it interior gray, and then a white roll cage. But alright, I'm going to move the lawnmower out of the way, move my car out of the way to push this over this way more so I can rinse it out, and that way it doesn't get all in my garage. Alrighty, we're back after cleaning the engine bay. Got cleaned it as best I could, try to get most of the rust out, but probably sand that down real quick before I put some primer on, flatten some of these holes out, as you can see, and then get rid of this stuff, the rest of the sealant, and then we'll paint it. But for now, I'm gonna let it dry off, so it probably won't be till tomorrow before I actually start painting, due to the fact of letting everything dry before it let it not be so humid again in here. That way the paint actually sticks very well. And I know why clean it, you're gonna sand it, and you're gonna have to redo it, all that. Yeah, I understand, whatever. Gotta be done though. Well, we were painting the engine bay. So far we've got it primed. Gotta wait for stuff to dry, do some touch-up primes, and then to paint it blue.
us now? Why do we stay when I blame you for the things that weigh me down?